How to use Chrome extensions on Android. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can use Chrome extensions on Android. The first thing you want to do is launch open Chrome. Now tap on the three dots over here. As you can see, there's no option of extensions. So what you can do is simply search for Chrome Web Extension. Then visit Chrome Web Store. Now here it's going to say that Chrome Web Store is only available on desktop. To customize Chrome on your computer, open this page on your desktop browser. Now as you can see, you are not able to use the Chrome Web Store on your Android device. You can select the desktop site and you will be able to view the extensions. However, if you select any one of that, as you can see, it is not available to be downloaded. What you can do in this case is simply use a web browser that supports Chrome extension, such as Kiwi browser. Head over to Play Store, then search for Kiwi browser or any other browser that you want. Simply install this. After that, head over to Chrome Web Store and then install that extension. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.